Before buying a magnetic elliptical trainer, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, MERACH Under Desk Elliptical. The MERACH Under Desk Elliptical machine caught my attention right away with its compact design and whisper-quiet operation, priced at just $89.98. If you want a convenient way to stay active while working at your desk, this is worth a serious look. The 60W motor runs smoothly, delivering a low-impact workout that burns calories effectively. With a noise level below 15 dB, you can pedal away while on a conference call without anyone noticing. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're stuck at a desk all day, this allows you to get your blood moving without disrupting your work. Now, some people complained about the limited range of motion compared to larger machines. Here's the thing though, if you're primarily looking for a way to keep active while sitting, this isn't a deal breaker. It's perfect for those who want to be more active without needing a full gym setup. This is perfect for you if you work from home or have limited space. Skip this one if you're looking for intense cardio workouts, but for around $90, it offers great value for a seated workout. Now, if the compact size of the MERACH bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, ANCHER Foldable Elliptical. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list is the ANCHER Foldable Elliptical, priced at $399. Right away, I noticed its heavy-duty build and impressive weight capacity of 550 pounds. If you want a solid, stable workout machine, this one's worth checking out. The ultra-quiet magnetic resistance means you can ramp up the intensity without waking up the entire household, and with 16 resistance levels, it caters to all fitness levels. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're serious about getting fit but worry about disturbing others, this machine delivers. However, I did find some users mentioned that it can be a bit bulky for smaller spaces. But honestly, if you have room for it, the stability and performance far outweigh that concern. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable machine that grows with your fitness level. Skip this one if you're tight on space and need something compact. For $399, it's a solid investment in your health. Next up, we have another ANCHER option that comes in at a lower price point but still delivers strong performance. Product number 3, ANCHER Budget-Friendly Elliptical. We've got another ANCHER model here, priced at $341.99, and it's almost identical to the previous one, but with some differences that might appeal to you. If you're looking for quality without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. It's designed for low-impact cardio, perfect for daily fitness or weight loss. Plus, the adjustable pedals and magnetic resistance make for a customizable experience. Here's why this matters for you. If you want the benefits of a full workout without the impact stress, this machine has your back. Some users did report that assembly can be tricky, which honestly surprised me given ANCHER's typically straightforward setup. But here's the deal, if you can follow instructions, it's manageable and worth the effort for a solid machine. This is perfect for you if you're after a budget-friendly option without sacrificing quality. Skip this one if you're looking for something that's ready to go out of the box. At this price, it's a great deal for a reliable machine. Now, if you're interested in a more budget-friendly yet feature-rich option, let's check out the next one on the list. Product number 4, PUBU Elliptical Machine. Next up is the PUBU Elliptical Machine, priced at $284.99. This one really caught my eye with its quiet magnetic drive system and 16 levels of resistance. If you want a comfortable and quiet workout at home, you should consider this. The 15.5-inch stride is designed for a natural motion, making it suitable for users up to 65. Plus, the quiet operation at just 20 dB means you can exercise without disturbing others. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you live in an apartment or simply want a peaceful workout, this machine is a great fit. However, some users found the build quality not as sturdy as some pricier models. But honestly, for the price point, it's still a great choice for light to moderate workouts. This is perfect for you if you prioritize comfort and quietness in your workouts. Skip this one if you need something industrial grade or super heavy duty. For under $300, it offers excellent value without sacrificing performance. Finally, let's wrap this up with one more solid option that rounds out our list. Product number 5, last ANCHER Elliptical. The last one on our list is yet another ANCHER Elliptical, priced at $379.99, and it's a great option for those who want a reliable machine with a lot of features. If you want something that bridges the gap between budget and high-end, this one is worth a look. The quiet magnetic resistance provides a smooth workout experience, perfect for any time of day. Plus, the LCD monitor tracks all your key metrics so you can stay on top of your fitness goals. Here's why this matters for you. If you like tracking your progress, this model has you covered. Some reviews mention that the assembly could be cumbersome. But I'll be real with you, if you take your time and follow the instructions, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a feature-rich machine that doesn't compromise on quality. Skip this one if you're looking for something that's ready to go without assembly. At $379.99, it's a solid investment for anyone serious about their fitness. So there you have it. We covered a range of magnetic elliptical trainers from budget-friendly to more robust options. Whether you're looking for something compact like the MERACH or a sturdy option like the ANCHER models, there's definitely a fit for you. Each has its strengths and a couple of quirks, but they all aim to help you achieve your fitness goals from the comfort of your home.